واصلح نوايانا واغفر خطايانا.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today. This is the end of the Maulid ceremony of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam 2023. At the end of the competition of the student is culinary that was made by our Islamic boarding school Minhajus Salam in every year. So this is the condition at the end of the day. So you can see, yeah, you can see. So what we hope for this competition is that the student could learn many things, not only about the academic but also about their skill in cooking, and also in another skill that they should learn more and more. So what we hope for next year is that students could be more elaborate and then more improve on their anything skill that they have. That's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.